Ako aspo, anak sa pobreng ako pa yun. Aspo, anak sa pobreng there are times in my life when I was younger, I resent being born to be poor. Like, maglagot ko nga nung pobre me. And I don't blame my family or my parents, but just like the timing nga, ngano kung napobre me. Oh. But then as you grow older, you don't want to resent anymore, but instead, that full acceptance that that is life. That is the life that is given to you. And how do you play this game of life if those are the cards that's given to you nga? Okay, pobre ka, and mao ni imong kuan life. Unsa may imong buhaton to play the game of life? Magpadayon na lang ba ka nga resenting nga pobre mi, ano pobre naman gud mi, then ana dayon. That means magdoble kayod ka kay pobre mo. Ingon ana siya, dili pwede nga sige ra tagmahay-mahay kay it's a waste of time. You have to have that full acceptance nga you're born in this life, and you have to play your cards, whatever is given to you, and make those cards worth it. Daily time nga sige ra tag mahay-mahay, sige ra ta og resent because it's such a waste of time. Instead, focus on what you can do, what skills you have, what are your interests, and make this part of your journey nga maka-inspire kas uban while at the same time makakwarta po ka. So wala gyud dali. Oh, kasi sige tag pangandoy nga may pasikuan. Actually, dili po nalalim ilang life and you don't want to be on their shoes for sure. So mag-ihanay ra tag paningkamot ani guys, kay mao man ni ang kinabuhi nga gihatag sa ato. So pag-amping mo, and of course, take breaks and enjoy life kay life is short.